Here's a video recap of some of the trails I rode and some of the people I met on my lunch break today.
On my lunch break, for a nice smooth ride down the hill. Nice. I'm on Ozone behind the sewer plant. I'm going to do this drop to gap or drop to double depending on what terminology you want to use. And yes, it has that fine sewer plant aroma going on right now. So here we go. That was nice.
It's always fun to know where the name of trails come from. In the case of Two Stacks, it's from the remains of this old house that had two chimneys in it. In the case of Schroen Train, or Schroen Train, depending on how you would pronounce it, it was the name of a family that used to live in this area where the trail is now located.
Schroen Train, Schroen Train, Schroen Train, Schroen Train, however you pronounce it. Up here at the start, about to head down. I like this trail. Honestly liked it better the way it was before, but I still think it's fun. So here we go. Here's a warning sign, because here's where the rock gardens start. We'll slide down a little bit. Following Brandon and Wyatt down Dragon Scales. I gotta start pedaling here. And I forgot to put that suspension in soft. Dang it. I mean open. So it's still in regular. Oh well. Following Brandon and Wyatt, and Ted is behind me. First time down this one. My eyes are starting to water. I would have gone down that one. would have been the wrong one. I think that's some Gucci. I could be wrong. Nice little gap jump there. That was cool. That was pretty fun.
Yeah.
That's totally different than any of the other trails. That's for